Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. Today I'm here to talk to you about the new styles and the new colours from the Noriko Collection. The Noriko Collection, if you're familiar with this collection, is amazing. We have such a brilliant array of colours and styles and really exciting kind of things all buzzes around this collection. So this is why right now I'm really excited to share with you the new stuff. This is Zane, and Zane is in the colour Seashell Blond-r. R stands for a root, so you see we've got that really nice little bit of a regrowth coming in there, and this creamy, beautiful sandy blonde that's running through. As you can see in Zane, we've got this lovely kind of almost a full to a sideward fringe, which just frames really beautifully. We have these lovely face framing layers, which just look out of this world and gorgeous. And just to show you, because I would class Zane as a long bob. So just to show you the side and back. So the side, you can see we've still got all these feathery layers, and that's going to be the length of Zane in towards the back. So not too straight towards the back, still cut quite feminine and quite soft, with a feathery taper towards the ends of the style. So just wanted to show you a little bit more about this colour with it being new. This is the Seashell Blond-r. So I just want to show you the R. So in the R, that's the root, okay? So the root is probably like a mid beige brown, which just looks great. But the real hero across here is the actual blonde. So the blonde has got these beautiful kind of creamy, sandy kind of blondes to them. So for me, it's just got just enough warmth that it wouldn't make your skin tone look cold like some of the, you know, the really kind of grey kind of colours can. So if you like those really light colours, but you didn't want to go quite as cool as a grey, I would say Seashell Blond-r is a great choice for you. Creamy and stunning, just looks amazing. So this is Harlee in Desert Sand. This is both a new style and a new colour from the Noriko Collection. Let's just talk about the colour first, and then I'll take it off so we can have a look. You can see Desert Sand R is a really good description, I think, for this colour. We've got the root, which stands for the R, which is kind of a mid beigey kind of brown, and then it moves into this very beautiful, like a dark, it's hard to call this, whether you call it a dark blonde or a very light brown, but somewhere between the two, with beautiful weaves coming through, and just gives it this gorgeous kind of caramelly kind of shade, which just looks stunning. Now the style itself, I really love. I love how much these layers frame the face. I love how you get this lovely texture towards it. I'm just going to turn Harlee to a side. Now you can see really beautiful layers running through. Now they're cut very interestingly. They're very, very soft and feathery, so you don't see any steps and lines running through the style. Just keeps it looking really soft and wearable. And this is the overall length in towards the back. You can see it slightly kicks up, all goes under, and just has a real uncontrived, beautiful way of wearing this style. So this is Harlee from the Noriko Collection in Desert Sand R, and I'll just take this off for you just so you can see that a little bit more. Now it's really blended off the root really nicely, so it's a gorgeous kind of blend. And if I just move her like that, you'd see how much movement is within this style. And again, you can see all those different shades running throughout this beautiful new colour. So I'm here with the final new style and new colour from the Noriko Collection for this year. This beautiful new style is Meadow. You can see Meadow is a short, choppy, feathery bob, which I absolutely love. She has gorgeous fringe in here, which can be worn full or to a side. I've just brushed it slightly to a side at the moment, but that can be worn both ways, so that's kind of a little bit of a chameleon. If I just turn her to a side, you can see all those gorgeous layers running through, which just really frame the face, really set that style off. But this is what I really love. I love the shape in at the back of Meadows. Now this neckline across the nape is really feminine, just the way that's cut. No harsh lines, so if you like a longer neckline, or if you're a wig wearer and you do have quite a low neckline yourself, this would be a great style for that because it has the extra length within at the nape. Just turning to a side, you can see we have that little bit of choppiness and that beautiful shape. You know, as a hair cutter, I know how hard that is to cut, so that's, you know, really is beautiful. And then just turning Meadow back round. I think Meadow is definitely going to be one of my favourite styles for this year. I really love it. And without ignoring this new colour, now one of my favourite colours, as you've probably heard me mention before, is I love Silverstone. I think it's so natural looking, but also can look so fashionable. I think it's a perfect chameleon colour. Well, this is Silverstone R, okay? So we've taken Silverstone, which is very successful anyway, and we've just added a slight root to it. And I think when you look at a style like this, where you've got that little bit of body, you can see that depth from the root just gives it a little bit more definition within the style. So that looks great. So this is Meadow from the Noriko collection in Silverstone R. Today you've been watching me, Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. Let us know which has been your favourite style and your favourite colour. We always love to hear your feedback. And as always, follow us on all forms of social media and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye now.